So here you can see play is a verb. Okay, so to play is also a verb but does not have a subject. Play is also a verb, and in this sentence it does not working as a subject. Okay, so does not have a subject because in this sentence play is a verb but it does not have a subject. That is why it is non-finite. It just names as an action because it is shows only action. In this sentence its form does not change. It does not change the form. Okay, its form. Hence this is a non-finite verb. So here you can see infinitive. So whenever infinitive word is there, to play, to make, to walk, to talk, to drink, to read, etc., they do not contain any subject in the sentence. Hence, but they show some action. Hence it is called non-finite verb. तो इसमें आपने क्या सीखा कि ये जो प्ले है इन्फिनिटिव वो एक्शन तो बता रहा है लेकिन इसके पास सब्जेक्ट नहीं है. ओके, इसलिए ही ये नॉन फाइनाइट का काम कर रहा और इसलिए इसका टेंस भी चेंज नहीं हुआ. ओके, सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस फाइनाइट एंड नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब्स. Now come to the next point, kinds of phrase. So how many kinds of phrases are there? There are three types of there are five types of phrase. Okay, in standard 7th you have learned three types of phrase, but in at 8th standard you have to learn five types of phrases. Okay, so you can see here phrases can act as an adjective. एडजेक्टिव की तरह वो काम कर सकते हैं. एन एडवर्ब, अ नाउन, अ preposition or a verb. Okay, so you can see first of all adjective phrase. So what is adjective? First of all you have to clear the definition. Adjective is who to add something in the meaning of noun. Okay, so noun में कुछ ऐड कर देना, that is called adjective. So adjective phrase, you can see a phrase that acts as an adjective in a sentence is called an adjective phrase. So you can see here we have a wooden cupboard. So here is a cupboard is a noun and before noun we have put wooden. So wooden is a adjective. as you know, कबर्ड है, कैसा है, लकड़े का है. ठीक है, लड़की है, लड़की कैसी है, ब्यूटीफुल है. तो ब्यूटीफुल, वुडन. ठीक है, रेड, वाइट. ओके, स्मूथ, थिक, सॉफ्ट एटसेट्रा आर एडजेक्टिव दैट यू learned in standard 6th as well as in 7th. Okay, so now see here is adjective wooden. So we have to convert sentence into adjective phrase. So you can see here adjective phrase, we have a cupboard made of wood. Okay, so made of wood is a adjective phrase. So you can see here in sentence 1 the word wooden describes the noun cupboard. So wooden what describes? वुडन जो है एडजेक्टिव वो क्या डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है? नाउन को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. ठीक है, कैसा है? कबर्ड वुडन. ठीक है, वुडन का बना हुआ मीन्स लकड़े का बना हुआ. सो द नाउन कबर्ड, सो इट इज एन एडजेक्टिव इन सेंटेंस. Just a minute. So you can see here second number, wooden has been replaced by made of wood. So when we convert sentence from adjective into adjective phrase, we have to remember these things. Okay, wooden has been replaced. wooden replace हो जाएगा और उसकी जगह what we have to put, made of wood. Okay, but this phrase also describes the noun Almira, so it is an adjective phrase. So what is the main point in this adjective phrase? You have to remember always that noun के हमेशा आगे क्या होता है, एडजेक्टिव होता है. So you can see here notification, adjective phrases must be placed close to the noun. ठीक है, तो एडजेक्टिव क्या होते हैं, नाउन के क्लोज ही रहते हैं. दे डिस्क्राइब, और वो क्या शो करते हैं, डिस्क्राइब करते. एल्स द सेंटेंस में अपीयर अब्सर्ड. ठीक है, अगर हम नाउन के आगे कोई एडजेक्टिव यूज़ ही नहीं करेंगे तो वो सेंटेंस कैसा लगेगा, एब्सर्ड. सो व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ एब्सर्ड? एब्सर्ड मीन्स समथिंग विच इज़ नॉट क्लियर, मीन्स वो सेंटेंस जो है वो क्लियर नहीं लगेगा. इसलिए हम एडजेक्टिव हम डालते ही हैं नाउन के आगे. सो यू कैन सी बिलो टेबल. ओके, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस, यू हैव टू लर्न दिस टेबल, हाउ टू convert adjective phrases from adjectives. Okay, so you can see here given below is the table to show some adjectives and adjective phrases. So here you can see some of the adjectives and we have to convert from adjective phrases. Okay, so you can see here a benevolent man. So what is the meaning of benevolent? Benevolent means a kind man, means a dayalu insan. Okay, so benevolent man, a man of benevolent nature. So we have to remember from converting adjective into adjective phrases. Okay, so you can see here a stone house, a house made of stone. A cotton robe, a robe made of cotton. A cruel hunter, a hunter of cruel nature. Hunter means शिकारी, cruel means that you know, बहुत ही cruel nature का. Japanese machinery made in Japan. A golden Bengal, a Bengal made of gold. A popular boy, a boy well liked by all. So well liked by all means a famous boy. Okay, a popular boy, a populous city, a city having a large population. Okay, a secluded area, secluded means सुनसान area, वीराना जिसको बोलते हैं. Okay, so means जहाँ पे कोई इतनी बस्ती, इतने इंसान न रहते हो. So you can see here adjective phrases. An area without any inhabitants. Inhabitant means रहवासी, यहाँ वहाँ पे कोई भी रहता ना हो, जहाँ पे कोई रहता ना हो. A pious lady, a lady of pious nature. An experienced pilot, a pilot of experience. Okay, so you can see here pious means जिसका अच्छा स्वभाव हो. ठीक है, pious lady जो सच बोलती हो, अच्छी हो. ठीक है, so I hope this is enough for today. I hope you understood this, how to convert adjective from adjective into adjective phrases and finite and non-finite verbs also. Okay, so this is enough for today. In next video will teach you about adverb phrase. So until, keep practicing, keep watching my video, revision videos. Until, bye bye all.